Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best RV roof vent fan in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Height Crew RV Roof Vent Fan. Starting off with the most popular brand on our list for RV accessories, we have a great RV roof vent fan from Height Crew. Apart from that, you will find a lot more products that are simply essential for an RV. This RV roof vent fan is the first option on our list of the best RV roof vent fans, and it is also the most popular option compared to many other brands for RV accessories. So, you will be getting a reliable roof fan within a decent budget. This is also a versatile option as you get 3 speed settings along with intake and exhaust mode, which is usually not provided with many other options. The power rating for this RV roof vent fan is about 40 watts, whereas the input requirement is within 0.5 to 2.5 amp based on user preference. It also ships all necessary accessories along with the fan. So, all you will need is a screwdriver and a sealant, and you can install this fan with ease on a standard 14 by 14 inches opening. And with dual wind action, this RV roof vent fan becomes a viable choice for summer as well as winter. Number 2. Our second best pick is RVLOVENT RV Roof Fan Vent. It is also bringing a similar choice on our list of the best RV roof vent fans today. This is also a rather popular choice compared to many other options on the market. This RV roof vent fan is our second pick for this list today, and it is also one of the best options for 14 by 14 inches roof openings. With 10 powerful blades, this RV roof vent fan manages to push huge volumes of air while consuming a comparatively lower amount of power. This option also offers both intake as well as exhaust functions along with 3 speed options for personalization and performance. As for safety, this fan comes with built-in fuse protection powered by a 5 amp fuse with 2 additional fuses included in the package for future replacements. You also get an additional fan cover so that you won't have to look for any replacement parts anytime soon. The motor powering these fans operates the fan at about 1200 RPM, offering nearly 950 CFM airflow at maximum speed. Number 3. Our third best pick is Leisure Coachworks RV Roof Vent Fan. If you would rather prefer a basic option for an RV roof vent fan, then check out this option. This is one of the most versatile brands on the market and deals with almost all types of RV accessories. In third place, we have this RV roof vent fan. This is also a popular option and is currently installed in hundreds of RVs out there. As we mentioned before, this is a rather simple option designed for all year-round usage. It offers air intake as well as exhaust with a single speed setting for each. Plus, there is a manual riser that allows you to easily open or close the lid from the inside. This fan is a universally compatible RV roof vent fan that works with 2 to 4.5 inches thick RV roofs and the standard 14 by 14 inches roof openings. As for the installation, it has made it as simple as it can be with just 2 connecting wires. Also, this fan is rated for a low noise operation, which is a necessity in many cases. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is StarVent RV Roof Vent Fan. Even if you are looking for a budget option for an RV roof vent fan, there are many brands that will offer you a satisfactory product with a wide range of features. It has one such option with a pretty great feature set. This RV roof vent fan is one of the most powerful units that are included on this list of the best RV roof vent fans. Despite being a budget option, this vent fan offers 6 speed options for intake as well as exhaust applications. And with the given build quality and reliability, StarVent is a good choice even though it is a fresh brand on the market. As for compatibility, it has made this RV roof vent fan compatible with 1.16 to 5.5 inches thick roofs. This fan is also rated for a low noise performance so that it would not disturb your sleep at night. The installation of this fan is also kept pretty simple and straightforward so that you can install this unit without any professional help. And with 6 different speed settings, you will be able to use this fan around all seasons without any problem. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is the Airflow RV Roof Vent Fan. Last but not the least, we have an RV roof vent fan. This is also one of the premium choices from this list with a handful of smart and essential features. It concludes our list of the best RV roof vent fans. If you haven't found the perfect option for your RV yet, this RV roof vent fan is probably it. This is the only option on this list that is offering 10 different speed options for perfect customization and experience. It also works as an exhaust fan when the roof is closed. It is also ensuring a 100% waterproof design on this RV roof vent fan, which is perfect for rainy regions. Coming to the interior, this RV roof vent fan is powered by a Gadget motor. This is a highly powerful and efficient motor that produces high RPM while keeping the noise levels to a minimum level. This fan also comes with a dedicated remote controller so that you can change the fan speed, check the fan status, and operate the lid with ease. You will also get a mini display on the remote for a thorough monitoring of the device. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.